Have you ever wondered how nature has inspired some of the most revolutionary technologies we use today? From the way birds soar through the skies to the microscopic strength of a spider's web, nature has been the blueprint for countless innovations. Imagine technology so ingenious that it mimics the way life itself solves complex problems. Join us as we uncover 10 groundbreaking everyday technologies inspired by nature's genius, revealing how the natural world shapes the modern one. Velcro and Burrs. It's hard to imagine a world without Velcro, but its story begins in the Swiss Alps with an observant engineer and some pesky burrs. In 1941, Georges de Mestral noticed how these tiny seeds stuck to his dog's fur and his clothes during a hike. Curious, he studied them under a microscope and found a structure of tiny hooks that latched onto loops in fabric or fur. This natural mechanism became the inspiration for Velcro, a hook-and-loop fastener that revolutionized everything from clothing to space exploration. Today, Velcro is used in ways George could never have imagined. It's a staple in the fashion industry, allowing for quick adjustments and closures. It's also a hero in medicine, helping secure bandages and orthopedic devices. Even astronauts rely on Velcro in zero gravity to keep tools in place. What started as a nuisance in nature is now an essential tool for convenience and functionality. What's truly amazing is how Velcro shows the genius of biomimicry. By mimicking the simple yet effective mechanism of burrs, it transformed industries. It's a testament to the fact that nature often holds the answers to some of our most challenging design problems. Who would have thought that a hike in the woods could lead to such an invention? The next time you use Velcro, remember its origins in the wilderness. That simple burr, often dismissed as annoying, became the foundation for a technology that changed how we connect and secure things in our everyday lives. The Kingfisher and high-speed trains. The sleek design of Japan's Shinkansen, or bullet train, didn't just come from engineers, it was inspired by a bird. In the late 1980s, the train faced a noisy problem. Every time it exited a tunnel at high speeds, it created a loud tunnel boom due to air pressure changes. The solution? The kingfisher is a bird known for its ability to dive into water without creating a splash. The team behind the train studied the bird's beak, which is shaped to minimize resistance. By redesigning the front of the train to mimic the kingfisher's streamlined beak, they solved the noise issue and improved energy efficiency. The new design not only made the train quieter but also allowed it to travel faster while using less electricity. This innovation is a perfect example of how biomimicry can solve modern problems. Instead of forcing a solution, the engineers looked to nature, where millions of years of evolution had already perfected the design. The kingfisher's ability to enter water seamlessly inspired a train that can cut through air just as smoothly. The next time you see a high-speed train zipping across the landscape, remember the humble kingfisher? Its elegant dive didn't just inspire a quieter train, it showed how nature can offer solutions that are both efficient and beautiful. Shark skin and germ-free surfaces. Sharks are often thought of as terrifying predators, but their skin has inspired something that protects us: germ-resistant surfaces. Shark skin is covered with microscopic, tooth-like structures called dermal denticles. These ridges reduce drag in water, allowing sharks to move efficiently. But scientists discovered something else. These ridges prevent bacteria from clinging to the surface. This discovery led to the creation of sharklet, a surface material that mimics the texture of shark skin. It's used in hospitals where preventing bacterial growth is critical. Unlike traditional antibacterial coatings, sharklet doesn't rely on chemicals. It physically stops bacteria from latching on. This makes it a safer, more sustainable option for healthcare and hygiene. The applications of this technology extend beyond hospitals. It's being explored for use in public transport, schools, and even kitchens, where cleanliness is paramount. By studying a creature that has survived for millions of years, scientists developed a material that could reduce infections and improve sanitation worldwide. It's incredible how something as primal as shark skin can inspire modern solutions. The next time you think of sharks, consider their role in making the world a cleaner, safer place, not just as predators, but as protectors. The lotus leaf and self-cleaning surfaces. The lotus leaf, known for its beauty and symbolism in many cultures, is also a marvel of natural engineering. Its surface is covered with tiny bumps that repel water and dirt, keeping it spotless even in muddy ponds. This phenomenon, known as the Lotus effect, inspired the development of self-cleaning surfaces. Scientists replicated this effect to create coatings for windows, solar panels, and even fabrics. These surfaces repel water, causing it to bead up and roll away, taking dirt with it. It's an innovation that saves time, reduces maintenance, and even extends the lifespan of materials. Imagine windows that clean themselves every time it rains, or solar panels that stay efficient without manual cleaning. The Lotus effect goes beyond convenience. It reduces the need for harmful cleaning chemicals, making it an environmentally friendly solution. From skyscrapers to personal gadgets, the applications of this technology are limitless. It's a perfect example of how nature can inspire sustainability and efficiency. Next time you see rain sliding effortlessly off a surface, think of the lotus leaf. What seems like a simple natural process has inspired a technology that's transforming industries and reducing our environmental impact. Gecko feet and super adhesives. Geckos are nature's climbing champions, effortlessly scaling walls and ceilings. Their secret lies in the microscopic hair-like structures on their feet called setae, which create a weak molecular attraction known as van der Waals forces. These forces allow geckos to grip surfaces without using suction or glue, making their ability both strong and reusable. This natural mechanism inspired the creation of super adhesives that mimic gecko feet. Unlike traditional adhesives, these materials are reusable and leave no residue behind. They are used in robotics, allowing machines to climb walls and ceilings just like geckos. Even in the medical field, gecko-inspired adhesives are being developed for wound care, providing a secure yet painless alternative to stitches or staples. What makes gecko-inspired adhesives so fascinating is their potential for future innovations. From helping astronauts stick tools to the walls of spacecraft to creating reusable household items like wall hooks, the possibilities are endless. By understanding the science behind the gecko's grip, engineers are creating solutions that are both practical and eco-friendly. The next time you see a gecko defying gravity, remember that its tiny feet have sparked a revolution in adhesives. It's proof that even the smallest creatures can inspire some of the biggest breakthroughs. Spider silk and strong, lightweight materials. Spider silk is nature's ultimate multitasker. It's stronger than steel by weight, more flexible than synthetic fibers, and incredibly lightweight. Spiders use it to build webs, catch prey, and even protect their young, making it one of the most versatile materials in nature. Scientists have long been fascinated by spider silk's unique properties. By studying its molecular structure, researchers have developed synthetic versions of spider silk for various applications. These include bulletproof clothing, lightweight ropes, and even biodegradable sutures in medicine. The material's strength and flexibility make it ideal for industries ranging from defense to healthcare. What's even more exciting is how spider silk is being produced. Instead of farming spiders, researchers use bioengineering to produce silk proteins in bacteria, yeast, or even plants. This method makes it scalable and sustainable, ensuring that nature's design can benefit modern technology without harming ecosystems. Spider silk isn't just a natural marvel, it's a glimpse into the future of materials science. Whether it's protecting lives or improving sustainability, the humble spider is helping us weave a better world. Termite mounds and climate-controlled architecture. Termites, often seen as pests, are actually master architects. Their mounds, found in some of the world's hottest regions, stay cool inside even when temperatures outside soar. This is due to their ingenious natural ventilation system, which circulates air and regulates temperature without using energy. Inspired by termite mounds, architects have developed buildings with natural cooling systems. One famous example is the Eastgate Center in Zimbabwe, a shopping complex that uses passive cooling inspired by termite mound design. The building consumes less than 10% of the energy used by traditional air-conditioned structures, proving that biomimicry can be both innovative and sustainable. The termite-inspired design isn't just limited to commercial buildings, it's being applied to homes and offices, helping reduce energy consumption and carbon footprints. By learning from these tiny insects, we're creating spaces that are not only comfortable but also environmentally friendly. The next time you hear about termites, think of them as nature's green architects. Their remarkable structures are paving the way for energy-efficient designs that could reshape our built environment. Whales and wind turbine efficiency. Whales, especially humpbacks, are massive yet surprisingly agile swimmers. Their fins are equipped with unique bumps called tubercles, which help reduce drag and improve lift. This adaptation allows whales to maneuver gracefully through water despite their size. Engineers have applied this principle to wind turbines, redesigning their blades to mimic the tubercles on humpback whale fins. The result is a more efficient turbine that generates more energy, even in low wind conditions. These biomimetic blades are not only improving renewable energy production, but also reducing the environmental impact of wind farms. The whale-inspired design doesn't stop at wind turbines, it's also being explored for airplane wings, underwater vehicles, and even sports equipment like surfboards. By copying nature's efficient designs, we're finding smarter ways to interact with the elements. The next time you see a wind turbine spinning on the horizon, think of the humpback whale. Its elegant fins have inspired a cleaner, greener future for energy. Butterfly wings and color without pigments. Butterfly wings are dazzling not just because of their colors, but because of how those colors are created. Instead of using pigments, butterfly wings rely on microscopic structures that reflect and bend light, producing iridescent hues. This natural phenomenon, called structural coloration, is both vibrant and long-lasting. Inspired by butterfly wings, scientists have developed materials that mimic this structural coloration. These are used in everything from cosmetics to high-tech displays and even security features on currency. Unlike traditional dyes or pigments, these materials don't fade over time, making them more durable and environmentally friendly. The applications go beyond aesthetics. Structural coloration is being explored for energy-efficient displays, where colors are produced without backlighting. It's also being used in textiles to create fabrics that change color under different lighting conditions, opening up new possibilities in fashion and design. The brilliance of butterfly wings shows how beauty and functionality can go hand in hand. They remind us that even the smallest details in nature can inspire transformative technologies. Woodpeckers and shock-absorbing technology. Woodpeckers endure thousands of impacts daily as they peck at trees, yet they don't suffer brain injuries. This is thanks to their unique anatomy, which includes a spongy bone structure in their skull and a specialized beak that absorbs shock. Inspired by woodpeckers, engineers have developed shock-absorbing materials for helmets and protective gear. These materials mimic the bird's ability to distribute impact, providing enhanced safety for athletes, construction workers, and even military personnel. Woodpecker-inspired designs are also being used in technology. For example, they've influenced the development of shock-proof casings for delicate electronics and sensors for space exploration. By studying how these birds handle extreme forces, researchers are creating innovations that protect both people and devices. The next time you see a woodpecker at work, think of its role in advancing safety and technology. Its remarkable resilience has inspired solutions that keep us safe in some of the most challenging environments. That wraps up our exploration of 10 everyday technologies inspired by nature's brilliance. From gecko feet to butterfly wings, these innovations show how closely connected we are to the natural world. If you enjoyed this journey into biomimicry, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to Innovision Tech. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Until next time, keep discovering the wonders of nature and science with us.